talked about the need to convince Canadians of the safety of vaccines. I'm wondering when your government will be making a decision about the vaccine being mandatory, and what factors are going into that decision?
Well, let's be clear. No vaccines are mandatory, federally mandated to be used in Canada, and COVID-19 vaccine would be no different. In fact, there are some rules around, for example, school admissions provincially for children to be vaccinated for common childhood diseases. There are always exceptions to those rules, which are carefully managed by each jurisdiction. We believe that people have a choice in Canada about whether or not to be vaccinated, but we also believe that we have an important responsibility as Canadians to take vaccinations to protect our communities. And we also know that there are circumstances where people cannot receive vaccines because of a variety of underlying health conditions, for example, or other circumstances. So our job at the federal government is to make sure through the collaborative work of all ministers that we have access to effective vaccines, and that we continually work with Canadians to ensure that they feel comfortable and safe receiving those vaccines.
Your government has had a hard enough time trying to convince people to wear a mask. How are you going to convince people to take a vaccine?